Hello, my name is Tyler and I'm graduating from Greenfield High School and I'm earning my Youth Apprenticeship Certificate from GPS Ed. Over my time as an apprentice in the GPS Ed program, I have learned that hard work and putting in even just a little bit of effort can go a long way. For example, one of our assignments called Interview Like a Rock Star is all about preparing you for a professional interview. The assignment gives you the tools you need to create well thought out answers to possible interview questions. Putting in time and effort into that assignment prepared me for a successful interview at Komatsu. Now when I go into a job interview, I can think back to my time in the GPS Ed program and have the skills and knowledge to be prepared for any job interview scenario for the rest of my life. One of the best experiences I had as a GPS student was our palette project assignment. I enjoyed this because I was able to take the skills I learned from working with Komatsu and apply it to the project by creating a guitar stand out of an old palette. I realized that the skills I've learned from working with Komatsu can be applied to many things outside of school. Something that makes me different from regular high school students is that while I'm still in high school, I have learned the skills necessary to be a successful adult, which is something they don't focus on in traditional schools. With these new skills, I'm a step ahead of most people my age. Hopefully, in the next year, I will still be working with Komatsu and saving up money to achieve my future goals. First off, I'd like to thank myself for not giving up on my education. Secondly, I'd like to thank my instructors, Pierre and Rocio, for giving me the tools necessary to be a successful adult. Next, I'd like to thank Komatsu for teaching me work skills and what it means to be a successful worker. Lastly, I'd like to thank my dad for being supportive and proud of me during my time in the GPS Ed program. My last piece of advice for our other students: don't give up on your dreams and don't give up on yourself either. Continuing with the GPS Ed program will benefit you in the future.